Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel now where we for the talk about the story when they happen on social media. Stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up.
Prostitute where they inside this thing now, men still go they drop their wife for ashawo, so you cannot really tell the kind of character wey person take they marry. No, you know, fit talk say I know gentle for eye, because not be everybody wey gentle for eye na don't marry. Why? I be want know that word. I be really want know who this is here. We go talk truth. Why do you feel I was lying? Nobody fit answer me now. Okay? He pay me. Say all those things. Now he make una they lower me. They worry me that time. Look at that. No they husband house. Because of that, any rumor where you hear, you go say not true. If they tell you say, now you still believe say Monica they live fake life? Do you believe now that big man wife where I say I be, not be social media make and give am to myself? Say I fed don't they bear am. I don't they bear big man wife even before I born my first child. And my first child is 15 years plus, meaning more than 15 years ago. I don't they bear big man wife, but I never enter social media. Eh? Live video na my 5th year be this. I don't they bear that name, big man wife, before I come social media. Why you hear that name and he want kill you? I want to know. Why was that name making you guys so angry and hating me? How are you feeling today, knowing fully well I'm a big man wife? You don't have to come to our account to know. When you can live your life comfortable, God may not feed you. You are big man wife. When your husband give you paper, in the country where people go carry belle, go another country, go born, a man stole and fight Netherlands and gave all that paper. I've never collected benefits. I hated benefits. Like, if I see people, they say, oh no, who are wasted time? Well, I'm gonna control man. Yeah. Betinya we no mami dobo or metin. No mami no ruai or we you demo dia. No mami no be or we you giagbe. No mami ukpokpo wa. I dey ask now, nobody go comfy answer me again. Big man wife, they among the name wey make many women my age mate want kill me. And then that big man go, and then no ye fat in there. He don't stay fat. But all this thing where they talk more now open up for me. If I get time for this social media where I tell and say, if you see my husband before if I fat, I will say, now so it be. You see this my big man, a straight cut in 9. May you in there more not talk true. He don't get there for this social media since this year. When I tell they spoil my name because of all these things where they do, where I really be. But people will not be. We never ever live that kind of life before. We tell themselves say their mate no go feel live one because they never taste them. It's not true, guys. This abroad where we come, everybody with different head and different way. The things that work for you might not work for me. But at the same time, we all they follow different way, and we will still get there in any way where we can. Not be because say your husband has 60 years. You know fit do wetin my husband do. If me come they use my own husband, say they proud. Where will we are? Where we banana? Oju wanibu ya akbeme. I told you guys, I am married. You never listen. You never believe. Why? I don't know. Where to waya go and find this one? No. You all owe me apology. Even if you are fake account. If you have ever done me like that, it's not good. You know why? If I wasn't child, not give no about if I not be woman, we get mind, we know herself, we know what she put for ground, we know what she they do, we know where she they go. I go pack up, I go even depressed. I feel even make my husband crazy. I feel even use my hands, scatter my marriage because of una mouth. Me, before I go bring something come out for you. Now your own person where they your house, or your husband where don't leave you, or your family go bring your news come and go be read. They go they claim married woman say na like this one your husband I call me. They don't divorce no minor. Me go find out before me go talk. None of you presenters, no one find out. Today more change. Because now still doing to many people and they go set on my back. You know, see as he set on my back. That's why. Ina te ya kao nuwa. Ese tire ni nuwa tale le mona raya mata. Ana miri mamare. Opu wa kuku ni me. Ana miri mare. Eke ni na ba wa nye hiya suwa. Di no me mare mo we mi o don ti me seke ni meri ene. Babo wa we me. Because he maka we ya e. Eni nuki. Una gume bina. Igele ye ma we. Betori me, emo wada mulele me. Emma. The omona gia bon. If I not be woman, we know himself. I'll use my scatter my thing. I'll start to date the desperate. You guys say I was living fake life. Is it not fake life? 1 year don't pass for a person wait to say I dey live fake life. You see anything drop, reduce? Where the fake life? You ever see what it told us? People hate me rich. Anybody come and come to us, say, Monica, follow me, buy something, not give me money, or that point. That is what they call fake life. Fake life, now when you use your friend, cloth, go party, you go say, now you be orphan, no mega. Did you ever, you don't hear one person wait to say, now he buy one cloth for me, where I take go party, I not pay her. Or I'll come borrow jewelry, soon I hear her. Or wait till I not be, I'll say I be. You see anyone? The day when we go break hotel now, should be everybody go say, Egbo. Emma, even Waume, Osalobua. Andy, why are you insulting man way past your husband? You ever see my husband go fuck? He can't leave the pennies for them. But that man way past my husband, according to you, so he go fuck for Belgium. He can't leave the pennies for them. Ashabona mo epishona so agbele. We all get destiny love yakimea. Ni ba po fie kon le luwe. We all get destiny li me ani otona love yakimea ni momo episho. You hear na? Ask Anna, say destiny, how come your pennies come out? As you say, pass my husband, no problem. Destiny not get property for abroad. So there is no way. Destiny ask for Nigeria. Komoti! Mugiene. Ona they shut up. I don't want to use that destination. Me, I block you, may you come up for here. Idiots. You will get husband. You go to misbehave for this social media. You ever see one girl where I record my husband? Where I consider and not player because I'm my husband. Do you know what is big man? Big man a person where carry himself. Where? Not be man where they go a shower house, go to Lalue. Young girls, give me money. But these people where you they call big man where they bring come out. So you are job a shower. A shower na mwenye pisho, a shower na bele pisho yin la diyan. Ana miye wok bi anu wetani oga e mume. Ina e dege naked des already. Mana e baru wogwa. or phone on a man. One a me where you made the nakedness. I'm a wetty am way. Bishon won't talk boy. No, why I live ye ya why tema tabason, why tema tabason. On my name, love ye ke, I am way. Bishon la de. Woman no brother, don't want to love ye ke. Eh, we will go. Why I know go to Bogmo? Why no go? Then no go ya me ya so done here. Not be who you sleep, we go take you picture. Who be this one? Why you not come? Why you not come call? Why you not come call in now? May you identify yourself. Why you not come call in now? Say Monica, oh, I buy something from you. You not give me. Call in now. Ne na ye fake account do uke here de do mami we here de phone ego ya we gbe tie bono we gbe marry we mi no yi gbe mu we is wa we kiere wo dere makata ma we take your time because ya tie be o dere no we no agbon fi we na agbon fi wa ni bona ni o dere we an e bi agbon na fi understand wa mo se o but o dere ki an ga o we yan le we no we talade wa talade e fana mo ti o okay. My people, we want start. Hello. Thank you, my lady. Thank you so much, my Monica lover. It is so annoying when you know if I anytime where I take reason that thing. If I not be person way strong, if they use truth, they fight me now. You not go pay me. They not go use truth fight me, but they go just say, "Mona, come on, breaking news." You know nothing about me. Just to take distract me. Ne ya reke ni aje. Thank you so much, my lovely people. God bless you. As they do rich, they shame, they fail woefully. Today, finally, everything boy for Netherlands don't finish. My case, my name, my number, my address, my everything for Netherlands, it don't finish. If you call Netherlands now, they look for me. They might not know me again because everything is. And my money. Now see money wanna donate for me that time. Yes, they don't return back to me. I go show now just now how they tell user what it happen, the one will remain, where they can return back to me. Why? Because I not be ojegile. Why? I not be froster. All of una fair know the story. Somebody where I help go report to them. Say, oh, Monica na froster. Benefit froster. No, I am not. I didn't defraud Netherlands. I am saying it in English. Netherlands checked me, cross-checked me. We went to court, and I won the case that I am so free, I'm so clean. They were so proud of me, the kind of woman that I am. 5 years now spent with them in crisis. 5 years. I don't fuck up one day. I clear all my shit. It wasn't easy, but I did. A lot of people, they don't leave cheat when me sit down. I shine on top and I clear them. A lot of people go wrong. Both husband, wife, children, and le. Iman le. Because Iman need to, ni le. He live it back money. Awu pokpo ave rien wa mo mi yo tonu awu abaze wo so yan idege we u subsidy ni yen mu pokpo u pokpo ri dobo yen mure mo na de o na self no matter how they do no give up on that your dream. Yes, this abroad I'm a living witness, my family is a living witness. You can live clean, guys. You can live debt free. You can live clean. Yes. And you will still get to where you are going. You go still pass the people who laugh you. Me, I know many people who Force. Today, they still the government house. Yes. So relocate to this UK. They still rent people house. Yes. Yes. Upon them, they don't see Idobo. They don't climb finish. Make they come see person where they give ladder. Make it push them down. Me, I climb finish. Person where I give ladder. It throw me and make it push me down. But Baba God not green because wisdom cannot leave Monica. Plus Monica lovers and prayer warriors. Now God go bless you now. It's good to be good in this life. It's good to be good. I am telling you, when you are good, good things will locate you. You will get joy that passes to understanding. People won't understand. I'm still talking right now. Some people won't understand. They won't understand. That is the promise of joy where God promised us. He said you will talk your joy. People will still not understand. Yes, my people. I never collect benefits, government money for my life before. When I did Netherlands. People where no Netherlands system. When your husband they collect one, even if na house rent that they help you, they pay quarter. He can never give you paper. Before man or woman go fit give person paper for Netherlands, you will never collect government 1 cent. Government not go help you for anything. Okay? Who are the people disturbing you guys? Let me sit there and be removing them. Because, okay, nobody is disturbing you, okay? Or enjoy it. Not comment there. Okay. You understand me? Okay, they remove them. Okay. No wonder marry me. We never ever received benefit before. We never play wayo before. My husband was such a honest Nigerian person. Oh my God. Sometimes honesty, Sometimes honestly, and gentility, gentleness. Sometimes it go be like say, they pay. If they pay, they take time. That's why many of us, we don't have that patience. Even me, I wasn't patient, so I wasn't that patient at all. We were living our own life. Life was good. Life was good. My husband was working after he finished school. He gave very great, good work, benefit like everything, new car, tear rubber. You won't even use it more than 2 years. They will give them another tear rubber. You go select by yourself. Life was good for us, young family. We were living on our own. The first time life was good. We were living our own. We know they take benefits. My husband, they work. And they take care of children. I know they work. Anytime he receives salary, we'll save. The one way we'll save, we'll do another one. Government supposed to they pay me as I stay as with children and I marry. Netherlands get money where they give to women every month. But if you don't ask her every month, they'll give you once in a year. I never even know about that money. Because Ambrose was working, his salary was good, and we feel like they won't give us no benefit. And he not even 1 year benefit. Because when only in one, they go school, they take care of me and children. Sometimes it was hard. Yes, it was hard. was very hard. I would say, why you no let me go do single mother with people they do? Because everybody where they around me, they get husband, but they were doing single mother. So any little thing they'll say, why you know this single mother? Oh, I want to go buy this one. Oh, I want to go buy that one. Oh, I want to go buy that one. When people where government they give money, Mona stop that character. It no good. Una where government they give money, Mona stop and that character is no good. That's why I don't do one day to people, because I know it's not my team. Me, I not for put the way we wanna take for put. Me, I enter benefit. Why they create benefit now I enter. When you are in crisis, you will enter. Not be when nothing they do you will just enter. Now so many people tell they enter. So the people around me that time, if they come your house, maybe something spoil, you know, bling bling like them, because you government not they give you money. They'll say, this one, that one. Even you understand those type of things. Then a government they give them money. I'll say, only all this stress is too much on you. Why I not go do single mother? Make it for relax. Only you want. You go say no. Come out your eye for that. Sometimes go they pay me and say people when not they walk in your waro, when you see a boogie, you see a boogie, they'll go they greet each other for year to year. Government go give the go give the that. That's when they walk. Government go say, no, you are not qualified for this. You are not qualified for that. You are not. I'll say, which kind of bad system be this one? But we continue to live our life. We were good. Okay? Until one day I get contact with somebody for internet where they do shako business, and it was good for the person. The person introduced me to it. When my husband returned from work, I told my husband about it, and he said, okay, how much with fit start? The person talker, and we try, and the thing turn up double gain. You know that kind of business where you start. If you start with 5,000, if you just do one, you just get 15,000. You go rest. Talk true. If you not go rest, this one not be 300 gain. This one not be 1,000 gain. This one not be 2,000 gain. This one 2 times your investment. You go get them back. Boom. We can't try again for the second time. We get it back again like that. Boom. We can't try again for the third time. We can't. That time we no want to use somebody again. Okay. So for the fourth time, but the third time, we no want to use outside the way we use. We want to involve our people. Maybe we can't do one. You know, can't turn up as when outside that just do it for us. It can't be like, it's okay, no problem. We can't still take the risk. Then about the fifth one, money don't plenty for her. We can't say instead of now, when you're the same people, we'll just start by ourselves. May you they work, may me go. That was how I started going to Nigeria, where I go where they tell people. They don't go hear me. When Una come meet me, I don't get what they do for Nigeria at that time. Eke Nigeria bemene. They sit down there, they know they can Nigeria. If we go which Nigeria where I don't go 16 times. People did this abroad, we don't stay 40 years. You may go 16 times. Nigeria where me they go, come back after 2 weeks, I'll go back. Nigeria where me they go like after within 3 months I don't go 4 times. Which Nigeria? I started to go Nigeria. We started to do the business. It started to go where after some time, you know how made they be. He say, yeah, when me go just sit down for work or the whole time at the end of the day, salary where I go bring come, e no go be like, mo just provide for this one, make me go, you know, woman, all children for us, let me go, I'll stay long, we'll do one. That's why we really come to start on my people. Before we start on like that, before you know, the whole thing start to the show green, Before you know, we say, okay, the way we fete they do, we don't want to do like that again, we want to establish an here. Because we still they do, and so people where they see us along the road, still they tell us what to do about it. Before you know, we establish and for year abroad, we register and do everything. We not do black business. Instead of more they do and more they hide. We not do that one. Because it's not good. You there abroad. Do it here, you will still get the benefit, my people. Yes, we did. So, as we did, everything goes well. We can't get big company for here, they employ people. That's why when all this our brother go come at that time, Manika, your husband is smelly. How many husbands I employ? If they challenge your money, where you they employ person for Nigeria, they pay the 30,000. We don't fair employ people for abroad. What are you telling me? You employ people for Nigeria, pay them less than 50 euro. Me employ people for here, pay them as minimum wage or salary. I'll pay my rent, we'll do our thing, we'll buy ticket, we'll do our business, we'll pay our tax. Wait till you want to tell me where you they do, where I want to cut my head, give you. Now your own you they do, me I don't do my own, come back. All this thing where they talk, my beautiful people, una know they hear from me that time, but why judge it? Because if man no what change, no what. So one day, the whole thing not come they go, it not come they go where. Okay? Meanwhile, me I not cut one story. Meanwhile, when we come they do this our business, so the company, the kind of work where my husband always the where they take on because of your own qualification, they know they like you to they busy with another thing. They pay you all your both your night when you dey sleep, they pay you put. Because they feel just ring you for night. Hey, get up. Handle somebody that is in Australia. Because now when we dey sleep, Australia, they name the daytime. So if Australia company is in problem, they get technical problem and they need somebody to be on the field, you can wake up and handle. So they even their sleeping time, they pay for it so that they can call you and you are available. So they usually don't allow you to have your personal thing as you are doing. So when we were really succeeding, we don't get choice than to give it up, because what we were making a month was buoyant. I will pay, I don't have, I don't need. Man, you pay all the man, you live the where some people want die for cow tail, cow leg, goat meat. We go still shop and you will find man, you will fall. Okay, so now so we can't register and for year. As we register and for year, we can't get right to come look for investors to make it more big, because the business actually was the more money you put in, the more richer you become. So we were now looking for investors. Yeah, you carry go bank go say yeah, because now trade with say from Africa to here, it is very risky for them to invest. But if now from here to Africa, say from Africa, they don't trust Africa delivery. Say Africa fit focus just now. Okay, so if we still go another bank story, we go here story. Meanwhile, that time for that our city, they just newly cancel for the people where they step ahead of us. It still be like one day now maybe they'll still change one law as they see say if everybody collect a bit finish and left one, some go left with death fear. Okay, so now so where now so where we come dey look for investor, we come find out say as of that time for my city where we dey, people where they say they give money to make they take do business, they just collect the money finish, they just do 3 more. UK, both Nigeria, Liberia, Sierra Leone. So they come, it can't be like say when we come, they just say all these black people again. After they don't collect because everybody where we give to so our own can be come today, come tomorrow, you know. But we can't look around. Who can go? Who can go? Who can go? Ordinary, some people came, some not come, some promise, some not do. But God so kind, God can lead us to Oyibo man. And I don't first tell you now before we can't go both do a kidney. He may be near so, but maybe near me a wagon. He may a kenya man, your bomb we go near now. If you always listen to me, you go still here and say, I don't feel talking. Say me so. Not be safe for what people they do, a shower go, caro ibo go, and no. I don't feel do Igbo partnership for business for this abroad. You understand me? God so kind, God can't do one. Or Igbo can show up one day, say he get interest for this business. We are going to do it 50-50 if he work out for all of us. Can't say good, we are not the greedy type. Good, let's go ahead. When Oyibo came in, he came in with a very huge amount of money. And even with that huge amount of money, if everything really goes well, the gain is going to be ×3 of what he brought in. And it's going to be 50-50. We agreed. Then we start to say, okay, we first get small shop where we dey do at that time our company we were paying 1,200 every month. Not be the other things. So when Oyibo came, we can't go big site with machine. The one where me and my husband fed they do with hand. Oh, I don't know why I don't select the picture down. For select the picture down, make I show now for this abroad. When I reach our charcoal farm, when me and my husband started, now hand 2 of us take the do. Now we take the load container full pellets of charcoal. Yes. Maybe next time I will show you guys the picture. Okay. We don't see money to buy machine that time. But we construct, Oyibo help us construct manually the way they take they do on olden days. It can't help us do it like that. They can't do table for us like this type of table. Oh, go come day, yeah. Oh, go day my husband. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go be where we go pour the charcoal put. We go the select and you put back for the under. You select and weigh. Scale where we take the weigh 5 kilo or 10 kilo. You go there the under. If you put on, you go look and don't reach 5 kilo. You go put on for line. After we don't still do like 50 for gram, my husband will still leave you. You go there, go use machine. Take swan. You go come arrange them for pellets. You come seal around. You go put them for inside the. We can rent another person. Don't forget store where we they keep them until our customer go come see carry on. Our charcoal they go Poland. They go everywhere. Now this UK we come they try to break in that time. UK no want, you know, want wetin we say we want fit give them. They want more. They want like 1,000, and we were promising them every month 20 containers, and we can't. We know even fit because Nigeria go fuck you up. They not go give you. But we were promising them that, but they said no. They need more. They can't sign contract if we cannot give more. And their price was like Netherlands price. You know, one set for Netherlands, they get the cheapest. But we no forget them. Our charcoal was going to Italy. So that was how we continue until God bring this Oyibo miraculously. My story for this life. Miraculously, that's how one Oyibo, he follow a brother, we come follow us back, come. He look the way we take they do. He say, wow. He said, this thing where we they do so 50 years ago. Now so they be they take they do one. Why we not buy machineries? The machineries was too expensive. We cannot afford it. Because we need money for the products. Now so God can't do one. After all hope was almost like, after this one, let us stop. Too much lost. Black people start to get cheated, they will put sand inside, bring and come. If you pay for 20 tons, they will bring and come here, go be 14 tons. We don't ready cheat. They don't ready take our gain away. Okay. Before you know, we both come. We agree. We go big place. We go buy machine. Employ people. Everything was good. I look at it, I say, honey, may you they work here, may I go, because you too soft for them for that side. That's how I will bow, I will go, but my guns will vapid your bow, but you wear we me no near where we what it wacky. I'll just put my boba, I go just remain single where I wear. I go just use and beat of your bow, we they do nonsense. And so I started to go. Everything was going well. Everything was going fine. Life was kicking again. When life just did the kick, when we were expecting, in short, we made. But because now we both pay the highest money put, now they always get say. Okay? When we come make gain, big gain like this. When I say big gain, big cash. We both follow me to Nigeria. Very, very inquisitive to know this, to know that, to know that. He come back again. Let's invest in this in Nigeria. We say no. We'll just face this one where we know. He say no. He go walk out like this. He go walk out like that. He go walk out like this. Ah, Jesus. Me, I no agree. My spirit no cash on. Because the money to come invest from here, he want make with the there's this thing they call firelighter. We even do our VAT put for Nigeria those days. Our VAT was in Kano, those states, Aunchi, all these places. Go rich on it, shall know where. We know this. Do our VAT follow. But from day one, I know say Nigeria don't they open eye. This thing will not work. You no go bring turn up. It go be like say get where we come make, una can go put on for Nigeria. No, no do one. Oyibo no green. And my husband he enjoy quickly say, okay, yeah, good. Can't really do one. Yes, when you don't already invest inside business, when gain will come, you'll still invest again. They can't invest the money go Nigeria. Come buy big land, very big. Come do things, trailer, this, that. But I know that it might not work. But the Oyibo was very like, it will work, Monica. Have good faith. When you have good faith, I'm happy. But inside me, I know that na good faith. Wagama oje ni makau. Oh no na. All the same, we try, we went, invest those money. Nigeria did not return much. Everything was stuck down there. Wow. So, coming back here, Oyibo go say, Mona try to go sell the one where the Nigeria bring the money back. Me, I don't want to go do that one. The one where I get mine for now, I don't want to do that one. Trying by all means, by using people, you know, Nigeria people, when you are not there by yourself, nothing work. Okay? That was how we abandon everything, leave it like that, come back here and do bankrupt. Because bank, business don't cropped up. I never ever tell you now before, my people, about bankrupt. I don't tell you now. Wajajia, Wajaji. So, all and all, when we bankrupt, we need to live there. When you bankrupt, you can't pay anything anymore. That's what it means. You can't pay nothing anymore. So we call Netherlands people. That's okay. If you can't pay anything anymore, definitely not be government they get us. People where they always say government house. Not be government they get us. Just that my government they pay. Okay. As far as you know fit pay, you will fair leave. Because if you fair apply before, if you fair apply before you it happen, now you go continue to leave that house. But be that we never fair do one before, we no apply because we no know. You understand? So and me myself, that house it be don't tire me. Because now that house now bad dead, they follow us, they come fight Ijejetin. Me I be don't say more over more live and for them. Because that time where they not going to see operation of waiting with they do for year, not going they appear for year. Now Africa not here results. Africa not here results. So the person where feel saying they fight us for year, he can they claim glory. Now me do one. Now no nah. He go on social media. Now me do one. If you first see her before, now say it can't be. Now me do one. Person bankrupt, not me say. Me ya fe wa for even if they say they bankrupt self, they got money for another country self. But as far as your business not there, you must bankrupt. Otherwise, you are cheating yourself. No, they even work. They know they do one like that. So now so where we can't take command for that house. Yes, my people. And when you they leave house like that, you never get house where you they go. The next thing where they happen be say, they go collect the children, put them for another house, give them to foster children to hold them. Yes, our 3 children today, I think Monica was just 5 years old. Yes. Ambrosia was like 9 years or 8 years, something like that, I don't know. Okay? So, or 9 years old. So, Ambrosia, they put Ambrosia for one place where they the same city with us there. They put J-Boy for one other city. They put Monica for one other city. 3 cities where no near 2 cities where no near each other plus the one where I'm by day. We can't go. Me and my husband, we carry our clothes some plates, about 2 pots, blender. We carry comot for the yard. The rest things we leave them there. I be don firstly talk am. We enter our car, we carry our blankets. We start to dey sleep our car, and we continue to do our business, because the things wey remain when we do bankrupt, we need to still tie it and sell it to say goodbye. So if we sleep car daybreak for this abroad, yes. If we sleep car daybreak, we go our shako farm, we go tie, walk. Where we dey park, dey sleep. They'll say 4 o'clock, abi, you must come park in there. The day where we no fit make am, we'll park for somewhere. And na winter time, that's why we dey go there where dry, go park. But if we no fit enter at that time, we'll come park for outside, so it go really cold. And my husband, they allergic to when it cold. Now let me want, even the cold, I go dey feel heat. Okay. Okay. So that was how the children spent 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks outside for where they put them, while we continue to quick hustle to make sure say we get them back. December, I think a day, December 23, 2013, they brought back our children back to us again. We can't do Christmas together. Together we start to live again. But this time, they can't find crisis of farm. Yeah, people where they may sit now, they'll sit down, they'll look, say, eh, now this thing happened that time where they're not going to see these people. Yes. So they can't find place for us. The place where they can't see for us now, crisis na English, crisis. When you dey crisis,